Ways to back up WhatsApp. Backing up to Google Drive. In order to use Google Drive backup, you need to have a Google account activated on your phone, Google Play services installed on your phone. Oh note, Google Play services are only available for Android 2.3.4 and higher. Enough free space on your phone to create the backup. How to create a Google Drive backup. 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Tap Menu GT, Settings GT, Chats GT, Chat Backup. 3. Tap Backup to Google Drive and select a backup frequency other than never. 4. Select a Google account that you'll back up your chat history to. If you don't have a Google account connected, tap Add Account when prompted and enter your login credentials. Please remember the Google account you're using for the backup. 5. Tap Backup over to choose the network you wish to use for backup. Please note that backing up over a cellular data network might result in additional data charges. You can also